back to my channel. And in this video, we will talk about Facebook ads and how to create a Facebook ad. So first, we are going to create our new campaign. To create a new campaign, you need to go to your Facebook Ads Manager here and then create a new campaign. So how to create a new campaign? First, you need to set up your brand awareness. So here, we'll create our campaign name. Let's use HYD because my Facebook page name is Here Gaming, so I use the abbreviation of it. Then we will turn on the campaign budget optimization because create A/B test is an automatic um, budgeting test, so it's kind of tricky. So I highly recommend to you using campaign budget optimization. So we will start the daily budget with 1,000 because we're not rich. So use the lower cost as a campaign bid strategy. We will use it later on. So we will set up this ad account. Then we will create our new account in the Philippines. Of course, we are in the Philippines where we use the currency of the Philippines, which is Philippine peso, and the time zone is Asia, Manila. This is we were in. So we will press to continue. Now we will create an audience. So the audience is where which are the targets of this ad. So these ads are what you call the customers we are targeting. Okay, so I currently use a save audience here, which is here. I targeted here. Uh, so we will edit this. So these are the targets of my ads. So almost gamers is the name of this audience. So we will target some um, computer geeks. I think if there's computer geeks or computer software developers, maybe um, also games because gamers loves games, online games. Oh wait, online games. Also target programmers because they use high specs and also use graphics artists because they use this. So yes, there we go. So detailed targeting are the languages, or maybe all mentions all people, or maybe we can also Facebook will like our page. Well, like your page. Yes. Okay, so we will post this now. Then we'll continue because this part is this. You can also manually it, but for now, yeah, we can also. So this optimization and spending controls is how you will schedule or when with the ads will be posted. Okay, so we will press continue. Now For this ad's name, we will use the we will edit the name of this ad. So use this HYG gaming headset because we are going to sold gaming headset. So for the identity, we will going to use the HYG gaming store. Is this the page that I'm managing? So yes. So for now, we will create the ad. So there's a format in here that we could choose from. There's a carousel and there's single image or video. But for now, we will going to use single image or video. So for this, um, there's the media page. We are going to change this image because this is not the image that I want. So I created an ad that could be used in this ads. Yep. So you don't need to edit this placement because it's totally fine. Now we are going to type the description of this ad. So let's try wanna hear your game because this is the company slogan. Oh, it's very laggy right now. So um, the most trendy and powerful headset is up for grabs. So definitely you can edit it and you can use some emojis or edit your text to be much more neat or trendy. So we will use the mobile newsfeed because some of our customers use mobile, of course. Then you're going to the language, which is not that important. Tracking. So we are going to use Facebook Pixel, but for now, I don't have my Facebook Pixel account because I need to set it up with my website. So Facebook pixels are used to collect data or and information from our audiences that visits our page. Okay. So next thing to do is to confirm this ad. Yes. This will take a few seconds. Then you will input your payment method. So use your Visa, Mastercard, or your debit card, and you're good to go. Now, if you want to create an ad, a video ad, you need to get use the format video. So you need to click single image or video. Then you need to select the ads or the video that you want. So this video needs to be 5 to 15 seconds long. Okay? So there's a limit with that. So you can use it square or vertically, or you can use some um, free templates that available here in the ads manager. So you can use from promote gift cards or spotlight image or showcase a square image. You can pick anything you want. So now also you can also use using text ad by promoting or boosting a a previous post. So you can use it here in the use existing post. So you will try to boost your post by selecting the post that you want to boost. Okay. So same procedure. You will also create a new ad and then blah blah blah. You can do that. So yes, let's press continue. Then yes, you will and that's it. So thank you guys. Please like my video, then subscribe. Thank you.